Hi, are you ready to create your own avatar like this one? I've put together a quick guide for you to follow. For optimal own avatar setup, aim to record yourself for a duration of 1 to 5 minutes and position yourself at the center of the camera frame. Ensure the camera is placed at a distance where you are clearly visible from the upper abdomen upwards. Maintain eye contact by looking directly into the camera. Set your camera to face level position and avoid tilting your head to side angle. Feel free to use hand gestures to make the talking action feel more realistic. Do not let your hand hair or any object obstruct your face at all times. Set your camera to a high resolution for optimal quality footage when recording, and choose a well-lit environment without any background noise to ensure good visual and audio quality output. Lastly, don't forget to smile. Simple as that. Now, once you're done creating your own AI avatar with Creatify, you can check the status of your avatar submission and manage all your avatars on Creatify Studio under My Avatar. To use your own avatar, simply go to the URL to Video Ads tool or AI Avatars, and your personal avatar will be available as the very first selection. Your own avatar is visible only to you. Create your own AI avatar with Creatify today.